So carbonyl compounds that can form carbanions are number 1, acid anhydride. Let me use our key. So number 2, alkanas. Number 3, ketones. Number 4, esters, alkenes. Number 5, and I think that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. All these can form carbanion because they possess acidic hydrogen. What is acidic hydrogen? What is acidic hydrogen? Acidic hydrogen is the hydrogen formed or found, found on the alpha carbon. The alpha carbon is carbon that is bonded to the functional group. So let me use an example. If you have CH3, C-double-O, H, the carbon next to is the functional group, the major functional group, that is the carbonyl compound, that is the carbon double-O. The carbon that is bonded to the this is called the alpha carbon. If you have something like CH3, C-double-O, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2 rather, CH3. This is our alpha carbon. This one's alpha carbon too. This is our beta. This is our gamma, like that. So the carbon that is bonded to the alpha carbon, the hydrogen and the alpha carbon are called the acidic hydrogen. When they are removed, it's now formed carbanion. When they are removed, the carbanion is being formed. Carbon have a negative charge. This is nucleophile. So how do we recognize the number of carbonic acidic hydrogen that a particular compound has? Let me use an example of this compound: CH3, CH2, C-double-O, let's say CH3. How many acidic hydrogen does this have? Example, let me use that as an example. This is our alpha carbon that bonded to the functional group. This is our another alpha carbon. So we count the number of acidic hydrogen here. So this is 2 plus 3. These are 5 acidic hydrogen. It has 5 acidic hydrogen. Number 2, let me use that as an example. CH3, C-double-O, H. I told you, don't mistake this. I said carbon, hydrogen on the alpha carbon. This does not have alpha carbon here. These are alpha carbon, so this has 3 acidic hydrogens. Number 3, let me use this as an example. This is cyclohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on this carbon. This carbon is like this carbon. Has 1, 2, 3. That's 1 hydrogen. carbon is tetravalent, so hydrogen must come here to replace to balance off this bond. So at this point is what I brought here, this point, this junction. So this carbon is an alpha carbon, this is another alpha carbon. So this has 1 plus 3, which is 4 acidic hydrogen. Another example, number 4. Let's say we have something like this. How many acidic hydrogen does this have? It has no acidic hydrogen. Although it is listed up here as part of functional group that can possess acidic hydrogen, but this hydrogen here, this point here, this this is not, it doesn't, this, you don't have a carbon here, so this is not an acidic hydrogen. But on this carbon something like this, C-double-O is our H. This carbon is tetravalent, like I explained earlier. So 1, 2, 3, this last bond there that's supposed to be bound to hydrogen has been used to form double bond. It has been displaced, so this does not have acidic hydrogen. Number 5, we have something like this. Acetone, which how many is aldehyde, benzaldehyde. How many hydrogen does just have? This alpha carbon, like I explained here. This does not have any hydrogen again, so this has 3 acidic hydrogen.